Name's Aaron Lund. I'm the president of Mass Transfer Limited. We're a tower internals manufacturer and service provider for a refinery and petrochem. We're in LaPorte, Texas. What we do is manufacture trays and separations as far as mist eliminators and specialty hardware, reactor internals, things like that to the refineries and the petrochemical industry and the oil and gas market. Well, before Cogent got here, we had what we thought were some pretty good mechanisms in place. Whether you want to hear it or not, they give you the good, bad, the ugly, and the indifferent. Then they show you how to address those situations. And David came in, and we had a great discussion from the first day. And he asked me what I thought I wanted to get out of it, and what did I want to work on first. And man, he was all over it from the get-go. Merlin, I think, he's a fantastic guy. He's straightforward, no bones about him. He just is, everything's on the table, all the cards are on the table. There was a lot of things that were discovered that needed to be fixed. A lot of things I didn't know about. The professionalism was great. I think the personal attention that was brought to it was actually much nicer to see. I learned a lot just in conversations through Merlin, not just the analytics side of it, but good conversations that I learned a lot about myself. The surprising portion of it was just how much kind of personal attention he took to it, not just being another business unit or another project for him. So before Cogent arrived, we were sinking. Where we are now is 100% improvement or better. So where do I see us now? In a year from now? Right where I wanted to be all along. I was already looking at bringing in some help. So when Bill called, like I said that day, it was just perfect timing. And the process started right then and there. Cash flow. What's that? It's an interesting question because our cash flow was very, very short. It was almost non-existent. I think the biggest thing about cash flow is between Merlin and David teaching me not to be a revenue-driven thinker, but to actually be a cash flow-driven thinker. And I made a lot of difference. I had let a couple of our sales guys go, so I was handling a lot of sales myself, as well as our sales manager that was still on board with us. Cogent helped kind of break down where we needed to go and kind of put a strategy together for hiring additional salespeople. I'm a whole different business owner from just a few short weeks ago. I'm a cash flow thinker. I think about my profit margins, not just the revenue that's coming in. There's things about our business now that were never here that are going to be in place going forward. We've always been a people-based business, and although we have really good people, I want good people running a systems-based business. And Cogent Analytics was very good about helping me put that in place. Yes, now I would say I'm 100% confident with the systems that we've got in place and with Cogent's help that I can move this business forward, be very profitable, and hope to have an exit strategy. So I would say from a very slow and painful cash flow experience several weeks ago to, a plus of $1 million savings, that's pretty huge. I just think that it was probably one of the best decisions I'd ever made. And it was worthwhile. And I would tell anybody that thinks about throwing in the white towel or giving it up, it'd be a good decision to call somebody like Cogent. Call Cogent directly. Bring them in.